What's good, guys? Richie F. back here, and we're doing Call of Duty with Bill teammates. Also, I'm gonna be like talking about some stuff. Anyway, like and subscribe if Shawty's got the melodies, and I know they do. Alright, so 2 a.m. What? So like, I got a reason for a bunch of my videos.
We're headed to the war zone. Get geared up. Stand by. Marking enemies. Enemies are dropping.
Hey, what are you gonna say? Bro, no es que slap, so.
Prep time's over. Here. Now you deploy to the war zone.
I'm a slap.
Enemy soldier incoming.
We're landing, bro. We're landing.
Moving here.
Suck me, baby. Suck me.
Moving here.
Bro, we're landing, bro.
Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets and bring them back faster. Mark the drop point for your squad and hit the field.
Baby, suck me, please.
Yo, bro, stop being gay, bro. It's weird, dog. Boy, acting all trans, bro. Unless you are, then I guess. Stop.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
I told you.
Fucking hate going there, dude.
There we go. That's regular boys.
You have reinforcements inbound. Enemy UAV overhead. Changing mags.
I don't like people that do that.
Don't kill me! Don't kill me!
Back in the fight.
I got her last!
No, baby. Come on.
How was TV's boosting?
Squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Ha 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 ha.
Enemy destroyed.
Ha ha
Attack
ha.
map. Hunt down the rest of them. I'm reloading.
Oh, guys over there.
My boyfriend.
I honestly thought that went to trash, but once they added, I was so wrong.
Changing mag. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy dropping into the AO. All squad mates are in the safe zone.
I called it. Fucking.
Please, papa.
Como tiempo que no escucho ni verga, que es pendejo.
Oh, te lo robé.
I'm back on station. To the front. Earn this.
Bro,
They're right here in the window. Niggas right here in the window. Niggas right here in the window. He's going after someone. He's going after someone.
That guy commentating.
Kid, can you shut up? I'm trying to play the game.
Changing max.
Someone's sniping on the boat. Careful.
Hey, did you hear them?
Y'all average.
Back in the fight. Mate, back on station. Good work. Load out marked. Get ready to redeploy.
Oh, fuck.
Enemy soldiers coming.
Never mind, just a second.
Yeah.
Hell.
Enemy UAVs online.
What the hell?
Fuck that nigga. Yeah.
¿Cómo?
Up here, up here, up here, up here.
¿Cómo le digo? ¿Te estoy viendo el tipo? Hijo.
What they went AWOL. Surgeon's time is reduced. I'm back on station. Marking
I got
enemy.
fucked by that climb, bro. Oh my god, bro.
Vehicle marked.
Pink, come get me, bro.
You got snipers. They got a fucking message.
Green, come get me, Green.
Enemy UAV.
Pink, bro, don't be that kid, bro. Pink, 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 pink. Pink.
Here's the quick.
You're losing ground. Moving.
So down to the videos on our YouTube channel, guys. So pretty much.
Only 10 were left. Defeat is only a mile.
Full story. So the story is that I made a few videos and then they were flagged as offensive. So I took those down because they got banned in some regions, a few of them. I don't understand why they got banned. And so pretty much that there's this one kid who apparently thinks of himself as a monkey based on because he was one of them who reported it. Just like all the others, they associate themselves with monkeys, you know? So I'm not saying that they are. They associate themselves with one, okay? So if you think you are one, this is the day and age for that, of course, based on how things are going right now. But you are not one. There are obvious differences, bro. You are not furry, for peeps' sake. They need to understand that. Also, they don't, eat bananas 24/7, and they don't, climb trees. Based on some of them, they can't even climb, I'm pretty sure. So, here's the thing. They all went, after I took down the 2 videos that were flagged as offense, that were banned in some regions. So, pretty much, then my school, they had a look at my entire channel, and then they found they made an entire list with more and more. And then they took me in a conference room later in that day. But they didn't bring up the ones that were deleted. You know, the one about Oreos, that was deleted. They didn't bring up that one. They only brought up the ones featuring monkeys. So pretty much, they're all on a separate YouTube channel that they had no idea about. And so here's the thing. Many people apparently reported it because there were so many complaints coming in. And then, you know what they did? They're like, take it down when you get home, or else there'll be consequences. Like, bro, okay, fine, I get it. I have to take it down. And then like this person just started talking to me about how if a parent reports that, the heck would a parent be doing looking at a kid's YouTube channel, bro? Like, nah, don't you got better things to do? So, like, pretty much, they said the parent can twist the story however they want. Bro, I know a few people that are out to get me, bro. Certified D1 haters, but like, what? Are you kidding me? I'm pretty sure parents are not out to get me. So like, pretty much, what they did, they called home, and then like, as soon as I got in the car, apparently, like, I heard I had to, your school called, I heard you had to take down some videos. They were chill about it. They were like, nah, how's that offensive, pretty much? Cause like, it's really not, you know? And then like, honestly, so pretty much, they got, all them kids at the school got mad, you know? And like, I made a video one time that was sent in a draft, cause I had a Richie F5 early access vids group chat before. And then, so pretty much what happened, a lot of people like got mad at me after I made a video. This bee was already dead. It was already dead. So I sprayed it with water, and then I used it as a firework to like, boom, the bee's in half. Cause like, it was already dead, bro. I'm sorry, but it was already out of its misery, okay? And then people are like saying that's like messed up and stuff. Like, come on. What PETA gotta say about that? Come on. It's one dead bee. It's already dead, bro. If anything, I put it out with honor. I turned it into a little water fireworks display. Also, like, so the kids at school, apparently they're like junior PETA. So here's the thing. They started telling everyone about it. And then next thing you know, everyone knew about the group chat. And then some people started like dissing me for it. Even more D1 haters, bro. Bro, will this thing load? Nah. Alright, hang on, let me retry. So like, I bet you some of my D1 haters are watching this video right now and are gonna leave hate comments. And then, so what? We're probably gonna show it to the school. Wonder what they're gonna do now. Alright, so, what? Oh, this guy, right. Alright, so, I got even more interesting things that are happening, kinda. So pretty much my new school life is like, so far is really good. And like, I have a lot of friends and stuff, but the D1 haters, they still out to get me, bro. The reason I made that miss y'all video, nah, I don't miss y'all. 90%.
Está a buen precio, ¿no?
So like, pretty much, they all like, if they watch this video, they probably not gonna care, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a lot of hate comments and dislikes for this, you know? Nah, so get this. Apparently,
Ruck up, you're headed to the war zone. Marking enemies dropping into the AR. Target down! Marking enemies. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Don't take it out on me. I don't care.
Que es muy caro.
All stations, we are green to go. Stand by for deployment. Moving here.
It was wanted during midterm exams. In the middle of it, bro. I'm trying to focus on this.
Resurgence. Stay alive. Got 10 squads active in the field. Moving here. Stay firm.
Pacific Islander, Indian, a bunch of stuff. And you know what? So when that rundown time came around, I was shielding because like I was like, I arrested it. So here's the thing. Guess what he said?
Only 10
Guess
left.
what they started calling me?
No manches, a mí cuando yo empecé a jugar Warzone, quería jugar. Siempre quería jugar, siempre quería jugar.
Dejen aguantar dejen.
You know, like, I am not a traitor for team's sake. Okay? You believe what you want to believe. And I believe what I want to believe in, okay? I'm not a traitor just because I'm not the same as you. Like, they make it seem like a dystopia. You know, we all know life. We don't feel that.
Enemy dropping into the AR. Contract was compromised. Stand down. Mark remaining operators in that squad. Hunt them down.
He used that to photograph one of my friends, bro, and he started spreading it all over. And then this kid made a bunch of crap about one person, which kind of was true for that one person.
Back in the fight. For vengeance. Redeploy. Moving here. Reloading. Located the rest of them. Reloading!
Alright, so like, here's the thing, there's a lot more of that's been happening recently. So, apparently, like,
Enemy was dropping.
I'm
back on station. Redeploying. Marking enemies. Enemy soldier incoming. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunted. Taking effective fire! Enemy UAV is online. Back in the fight! Go get your revenge. You've got a loadout drop. Hold on, Mark. Enemy UAV overhead. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Enemy dropping into the AR. Reloading!
Reloading.
So like pretty much, D1 Harris all over. Also there's this one kid who's like, fight me! Like bro, that's the kid who's playing myself, bro. He's like, fight me! Nah, I don't want
Bueno, que me haya dicho, chinguenselo, por favor.
He looks like he's gonna eat me.
Cállate a la verga.
That's what, and apparently that's what
La cagué, güey, caí mal. Pero maté al güey que estaba acá abajo, güey.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Puedes matar. Los tengo enfrente, los tengo enfrente.
Requesting recon above.
I'm back on
Back
station.
on station. Go get off.
We got lethal equipment here. Road on mark.
Your squad made it to the safe zone. Gas is inbound. You've got time for another bounty. Get it done. All bounty targets are KIA. Well done.
Moving here.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Es que esa neta es el culo. Tienes el rata que
Reloading.
es yo en multiverso. Ese soy yo. Aquí hay gente.
Back in the fight.
To the front. Earn this.
Road on mark. Marking enemy. Max.
My station price has been reduced.
UAV available for tasking.
1-1 requesting recon at this time.
Also, this kid currently has like 165 hits up, and it feels like
I'm hit.
it's not hummus.
4 kills.
Get ready. Insurgents we know is about to close. Deployed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest.
Moving here. Got a custom weapon here.
Now get this. There's
Fire.
No.
Bro, where's yours?
I'm back on
Get another
station.
chance. Weapons free.
Road on mark.
Squad mates back on station.
Marking enemy.
Fire sales
The kindergartner be scared for his life. Also, this kid-
Back in the fight.
Stand by for redeployment.
I do not care about the size of your eyes, you know? Because, like, I don't know, yeah, he's, because, like, I'm not, you know? Because that guy, he's just like a...
Come on. on, buy me back.
He's just like really rude overall. So like I can understand why he's like
Gas
Switching
is
mags.
moving.
my teammate, nice try. Okay.
Frag sent.
Door.
Come on, buy me back.
Oh yeah, he's clutch first. Our teammate saved us all, bro. Oh.
Come on, buy me back.
Hey, bro, W teammate.
I'm back on station. Thanks. Marking enemy.
The enemy is no longer threatening you. Only 4 remain. Finish the job. Marking enemy in operation in the AR. Supply crate. Advise you to load up now.
EKIA!